Good morning, Brito. Today we will complete our geometry lesson number 2, the medians of triangle. Today we will learn how to make a proof. If I have this figure and I have ABC as a triangle in which D is a midpoint of BC. We said yesterday midpoint means that the line being divided into two equal parts. CD equals DB. In the same way, E is a midpoint of AC. That means that AE equals EC and the point in the middle of AC. And I have two lines, AD and BE, intersect at the point M. And I have the length of AD equals 6 and the length of AB and BE equals 9. He wants what? Calculate the perimeter of the triangle MDE, the yellow triangle here. Let's make it step by step together. First, we have to put information like if I have ABC is a triangle and I have D and E are midpoint of BC and I have the length of AB equals 9. We said every information has a result. D and E are two midpoints. The line joining between them, the short line ED, is equals what? Half the length of the opposite side, the length of AB. So ED equals half the length of AB. Half of 9 equals 4.5. We said yesterday, if I have any two midpoints and I have line joining between two midpoints, this line is equal half the length of the opposite side. This is number 1. To get the perimeter, we get the length of ED and EM and MD. In the information up, there is two lines intersect at the point M. And these two lines goes from the vertex to the midpoint. So these lines both, we said yesterday, any line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side called median. So AD and BE are medians in triangle ABC. If I have a median AD, all these medians equal 6 cm. This means if I want MD is a small part of the median, small part take the third of all median. So MD equals third of all 6. Third by 6 equals 2 cm. So MD equals 2 cm. And if I have BE, all the median BE equals 9. If I want ME only, ME the small line here, the small part here from the median, the small part take the third. So third BE or third and 9, third by 9 equals 3. This is number 3. By adding 1 and 2 and 3, we will get the perimeter of the triangle MDE. So the perimeter of the triangle MDE equals 4.5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 9.5 centimeters. Another problem, if I have in this opposite figure, D is a midpoint of AB. We said midpoint means that that line being divided into two equal parts. AD equals DB. And the same way, if D is a midpoint of AC, this means that AE equal EC. And there is two lines make intersect. These two lines BE and CD intersect at the point M. And I have the length of ED equals 4 and the length of DM equals 3 and the length of all BE equals 6. Let's make the proof step by step together. First, we will put information. Since I have D and E are two midpoints of AB and AC, and I have the length of ED equals 4. We said when we have two midpoints and there is a line joining between them, the short line ED is represented what? Half the length of the opposite base, half the length of BC. So if ED 4, so BC equals what? ED represented or equal half the length of BC, or BC, if I want the length of the bigger side, BC equal 2 times ED. So BC equals 4 by 2 equals 8. You want to get the perimeter of the yellow triangle. The perimeter means that I will have to find the three lengths and make plus at the end. First, the length of BC equals 8. This is number 1. Let's find the length of MC and MB. If I have two lines BE and CD intersect at the point M, we said yesterday any line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite base represented median. So CD and BE represented medians in the triangle ABC. We know that MD, the small part of the median, equals 3. So the big part, MC, in the medians equals what? 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Yes, right. So the second side here, MC, represented 2 times the small part, MD. 2 times 3 equals 6. We know in the information up that all BE, all the median BE equals what? 6 centimeter. If you want the length of the big part of the median MB equals what? 2/3 of the all median. So if I want the length of MB, makes what? 2/3 by all the median equals 6. 2/3 by 6 equals 4. So MB equals 4 centimeter. From 1, 2, and 3. By adding, if I want the perimeter of the figure, he wants the perimeter of the triangle BMC, we will make 8 plus 6 plus 4 will equal 8.